In this video, I will show you how to apply conditional formatting based on another cell value in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have student names and the marks they obtained in various subjects in these columns. Now, I want to highlight the mark cells that are less than the cutoff mark value given in this cell. For example, since the G3 column contains 35, I want to highlight all the cells in the C3 to E7 range containing marks less than 35. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing marks. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will check if the cell value is less than the given value in the G3 column using this formula. I will use the first cell in the range, cell C3 in the formula. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. I will also make the G3 cell reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select the desired background color to apply to the cells. I am going to choose the light yellow color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is less than 35. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the marked cells less than 35 are now highlighted with the light yellow color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means if we change any cell value to make it more than 35, the format will be automatically removed like this. Similarly, if we change any cell value to less than 35, it will be highlighted in the light yellow color as defined in the formatting rule like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the marked cells again. Now click the Conditional Formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting from the marked cells that we defined previously, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting based on another cell value is now removed from these cells. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.